student. Today I will explain you lesson number 2, Kulasya Achar. That means family traditions. We start with our introduction. Right from the ancient time in Sanskrit, the fable literature have been popular in the Sanskrit literature. Fable literature means the literature which comes from the people. Whether it is Jatka tales or Panchtantra or Hitopdesha. In every book, animals are the characters through which the different tales have been imaginatively written. Jatka, Panchtantra and Hitopdesha are the three books which have a animal's character and they teach us the moral which are useful in our life. Fables are created even today. One such fable is presented here. In this lesson, we have one fable just like that. A bird called a Chataka drink only the rainwater. This is the tradition of a Chatak race. Every child born into a Chatak family follow this tradition till today. As we know that the Chatak is the bird who drink only the rainwater directly from the cloud, and every Chatak family have to follow this tradition. Once when a child of a Chatak family is so troubled by thirst that not feeding the advice of his mother, he gets ready to break his tradition. By chance, he hears the conversation between a poor farmer and his son. Inspired by the conversation that he hears between the poor farmer and his son, he goes back to his mother and shows his willingness to follow the custom of his race. In this lesson, we have a Chatak bird who suffer from thirst and tell her mother to drink the water. Her mother advised him not to drink the lake water or a pond water because it's not their tradition, but the child or a bird, baby bird, do not follow or do not hear his mother's advice and went to drink the lake water. From this story, we will be inspired to follow the age-old traditions and custom in order to make our life better. Through animals are made the object, ultimately the advice is given for a man. In addition to this, you also have to learn the verb from and the cases that have been used here. This lesson advised us to follow our family traditions which are made by our forefather, and it is good and well for our culture. Let's start the lesson. Ekah Chatak Shishu Asita. Once upon time there was a Chatak bird. Sa ekada trushaya pidita. Jananya samipam rajati vadati cha. Once he suffered from thirst and went to her mother and said, Amba trusha ma pidayati, and said to her mother, Mother, I am suffering from thirst. Aham jalam patu ichhami, I want to drink water. Samprati meg jalam na milati, atah tadag jalam eva patum ichhami. Now we do not get the rain water, so I want to drink the water from lake. Janani vadati balaha vayam tu meg jala evam pibam tadak jala na pibam. Her mother replied him that, baby, we only drink the rain water, we never drink the lake water. Esa asmakam kulasya achar. This is our family traditions. Atah tvam tadak jalapatum na shaknomi iti. So you cannot drink the water from the lake or a pond. Chatak Shishu Kathayati Amba Mahati Metrusha. Chatak bird said, Mother, I am extremely suffer from thirst. Aduna akase meghana na pashyati. There were no clouds in the sky. Kada megha varshati, kada cha aham meghadalam patum shaknomi. We don't know when we found the clouds and rainwater. Atah trushaya pidito aham tadak jalam patu gachami. So, suffering from thirst, I went to, or I want to drink the lake water.